Welcome. This is D Best, and she's about to show you how she went from this to this. Her video went viral, surpassing 4 million views, and people were hounding her for the tutorial.
Hounding? I wouldn't say all that, but y'all definitely were asking for the tutorial, so here it is in under 6 minutes. Let's get started. We're going to be beginning with freshly washed and conditioned hair. For me, I'm going to add in my K18. We got our Flexi rods, and now I applied my leave-in conditioner. We're going to put our hair into 10 twists. 10 only, y'all. Nothing more, nothing less, because you're going to split these up into 2. Alright, so let's do our first section together. We're going to make sure that your hair is still damp. If it's not, go ahead and spray with some more water. And if you think it isn't moisturized enough, make sure you add some more leave-in conditioner. And now you can add your styling mousse of choice. This is very important, so listen closely. Every time you are rolling a rod, it should be in the opposite direction of the last one you did. For me, the first one I did, I went over. So now the second one that I'm doing, I should be going under, and then the next one again over. So over, under, over, under. If you want to think you're going left instead of rolling right first, whatever way you want to think of it. I'm also using a toothbrush. You can use any brush. I just needed a small little brush to make sure that the ends were really smooth on the rods. I just really don't like when the ends are fuzzy, so I make sure to tuck them in properly.
I'm not sure why she stopped talking.
I think they got it from here, honestly. The process is pretty simple. I don't think there's really much more to explain. I'll come back when it's time to do the takedown.
Did you hear that, guys? It sounds like she believes in you.
I do. Y'all got this.
It's literally about 10 hours later, and for some reason she is still doing her hair. It has now been 24 hours, and she is about to start the takedown and hopefully come back to speak to you all, because I don't know a thing about hair. It appears she has not yet returned as promised, and I can't leave you guys hanging, so I will continue my dialogue. It seems to me like she is just removing the rods by rotating them in the opposite direction. Look at those curls. Well, they are just magnificent, aren't they?
Back now for real, and you're just going to make sure at this point that you've taken everything down, that you have some oil on standby. I'm using this Blueberry Bliss from Curls, and I'm just going to put it all over my hair. So I'm just going to apply it from root to tip. And now we're going to start the separating process. The oil is going to help prevent frizziness as we separate, and it's just going to maintain the shape of the curls. Y'all, the curls are so beautiful. I'm so freaking happy. I love them so much. I still feel like it came out way better the first time. And that was actually my first time doing them. This is my second time, but they're still beautiful. Alright, so he can take it from here. Actually, no, he's done enough. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the updo, the viral look, the Princess Tiana, you know, that look. For this look, all you're going to need is a scrunchie. Literally, that's all. You can have a few bobby pins just in case your bangs are long, but if they sit properly, you won't even need that. All you need is a single elastic band. So I put it up, but then I realized I didn't put the curl on the side and the back, so I redid it. So all you're gonna do is pull out a piece from each side. I pull a piece out near my sideboard, like just in front of my ear on both sides, and then on my nape, right and left. I tie them together to keep them in place, and then I put my hair up. And now you can release and adjust as needed. And this is how it looks.
The final look definitely reminds me of a Disney princess, Princess Tiana to be specific. D Best really showed out with this one. If you guys have any questions about the updo, she will be posting another in detail tutorial. You can also always leave a comment. She would like me to thank you guys on her behalf for all the love she has received on her last videos. We'll see you all in the next one. To be continued.